Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I have in my hands Maresh Products Home and Garden Extension Hose. It's a very simple little 6-foot extension of a garden hose. I happen to particularly like this hose because it's like the old-fashioned kind of plasticky kind, and it's going to be sitting on the ground, and I find the more rubbery ones tend to get like a little moldy and yucky. So I'm going to use this one. Let me show you how to fix a common problem that this is perfect for. Okay, here is the garden hose extension. Obviously, you want to be very careful when you're opening it up with a razor blade, because razor blades and garden hoses don't go well together. So let's see, make sure we cut away from us and the hose so that this is not a sprinkler, it is a hose. Okay. Straightforward, old school garden hose. This one doesn't come with extra washers or O-rings, but it does come with its own washer and O-ring. So let's go set it up. Okay, so this little extension could not be more perfect. 6 feet from here to inside. Hello, Kona, you garden it there? So right here is where we're gonna hook up the rest of the garden hose. That is a perfect little extension. And the reason the garden hose itself doesn't work is because this garden hose is this expandable kind, and it doesn't work well going through this section here. So, excellent fix, works perfect, super durable, nice.